Hello and welcome to Wireman's Whimsy. It is paper pumpkin time again. The November kit is called Gifts Galore, and you can make 3 each of 3 different gift holders with it. So let's have a look. So these are the gift holders. We've got a Christmas tree, a snowman, and a stack of presents. The instructions show you how to make each project, and it shows you some other things that you can do with the project as well. So let's just wander through the contents of the kit. We have got some sticky strip for putting the gift boxes together. We've got some baker's twine and some little paper clips and some dimensionals, and we have the stamps with Happy Holidays, Merry Christmas, To and From, Oh What Fun, a present, the bow for it, and some snowflakes. So that should be a lot of fun to use. And we also have a Flirty Flamingo Stampin' Spot. And here are the fronts and backs for the boxes. So we've got some Christmas trees, and there's my hand, and there's the size of the tree, and they are double-sided. And on the back you'll see there's directions for where the gift boxes go. So we've got Christmas trees, and we've got presents, and the back of the presents is there, and again you can see the guidelines for where to put the box. And then we have the snowmen. Aren't these fun? We've got that, and then it's the blue on the back. Almost looks like pool party. And then we've got the boxes that we make up and we can attach to the fronts and backs. We've got some circle blanks, and we've got some gift tag blanks and some greeting blanks. And it also comes with treat bags. So you can choose whatever treats you want to put in there, close it all up. You can tie it with the baker's twine and put it in your gift holder. So that is what is inside the kit for November 2021 from Paper Pumpkin, called Gifts Galore. And stand by for the next video, and I will make up the gift boxes to show you how it's done. Thanks so much, and let's create together again soon.